Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to play Valorant on console. Currently Valorant is not officially available on the PS5. The game is developed by Riot Games and it's exclusive to PC. Riot Games has not released any official plans, but I'll show you here some couple of potential ways to play Valorant on PS5, though they come with limitations and may not provide the best experience. First one is using a remote play PC to PS5. Set up remote play on your PS5, go to settings, system, remote play and enable it. On your PC, download and install the PS Remote Play app from the PlayStation website. Log in to your PlayStation account on both PC and PS5 and stream your PC screen to PS5 so you can play Valorant through that setup. And the second method, of course, is using cloud gaming NVIDIA services like NVIDIA GeForce Now or PlayStation Now, although they need a high internet connection so you can play them. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.